Are you embarrassed by persistent bad breath? You are not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with chronic halitosis, a condition that reduces self-confidence and negatively affects social interactions. If regular brushing is not solving the problem, it's time to stop masking the odor and start addressing the root cause. This guide explains the main reasons for bad breath and provides professional, effective solutions for truly fresh breath. Why does this happen? The most common causes of persistent bad breath are often underestimated. The primary factor is bacterial buildup, especially on the surface of the tongue and between the teeth. These bacteria feed on food debris and produce volatile sulfur compounds, VSCs, which are the true source of unpleasant odor. Another frequent cause is gum disease, including gingivitis and periodontitis. These conditions create periodontal cockets, where bacteria multiply rapidly. Dry mouth, also known as xerostomia, is another major contributor, as saliva is the body's natural cleansing mechanism for the oral cavity. When saliva production is reduced, odor intensifies. Less common, but more serious causes of halitosis include tonsil stones, chronic sinus inflammation, or underlying systemic conditions. Before we move on to the solutions, share your experience in the comments. Have you ever struggled with bad breath, and what helped you the most? This information may be helpful to others. Feel free to share it. Now, let's review the most effective solutions for eliminating bad breath. 1. Comprehensive oral hygiene. This goes beyond basic toothbrushing. Using a tongue scraper is essential, not just a toothbrush, to remove the primary source of volatile sulfur compounds from the tongue surface. 2. Interdental cleaning. Daily flossing or the use of a water flosser is critical to remove trapped food particles and prevent bacterial plaque buildup between the teeth. 3. Maintaining proper oral hydration. Drink sufficient water throughout the day to prevent dry mouth. In cases of significant xerostomia, professional saliva substitutes or moisturizing oral products may be helpful. 4. Professional dental care. Regular dental checkups and professional cleanings are essential. Only a dental professional can accurately diagnose and treat gum disease or identify other hidden causes of chronic halitosis. Do not let persistent bad breath affect your quality of life. By following these expert recommendations, eliminating bacteria, maintaining hydration, and protecting gum health, you can achieve long-lasting fresh breath and a healthy, confident smile.